Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I have some awesome good hair for you guys. I think all day today I will be reviewing these wigs, but I have some lace front wigs for you. So you know this new company, Awesome Luxury Hair, Awesome Good Hair. They came out with some wigs. There's some lace front wigs and there's some full wigs. Today I have only lace front, but I reviewed some of their full wigs before, so if you guys are interested in that, if you haven't seen it as yet, you can probably just type in Awesome Good Hair and it should pop up. But anyway, this person that I have is called TL Ella. I have her in the color OP Chocolate Brown. Isn't that the same color? Why did I think I have a honey brown? Oh yeah, I do have a honey brown. That's coming up next probably. But yeah, this is chocolate brown. You guys are familiar with the chocolate brown because I got so much of the chocolate brown this week. I think I reviewed at least 3 chocolate browns from this collection already this week. And I'm kind of mad because it comes in OP Copper Orange, it comes in OM Red, Gold Blonde, and I think I would have liked to try the different colors and at least just to show you guys what they look like instead of getting a bunch of you know, chocolate brown. But it doesn't matter, okay? It doesn't matter. This is a chocolate brown, really nice color, and it's a left side part wig for those of you who are into left side parts. The parting space was clear enough straight out the box, so all I had to do was add powder to it. It came with baby hairs. All the baby hairs are tucked into the wig, but you could take them out and use it and stuff like that. Now the hair is, I would say it's cut properly. I haven't seen the back as yet. Probably by the time I'm editing this I know what the back looks like, but for now I haven't seen it as yet. It feels like it's cut properly, so I won't have to go in and trim anything off of it, so that's pretty good. That's always good, okay? And keep in mind that this is a human hair blend wig, so you could add heat to it. I did add some heat to the parting space just to flatten it down a bit. It doesn't say up to how much. You know, normally with the human hair blend wigs it doesn't say up to how much, but I would still say don't go more than 400 degrees because with the human hair blend wigs it's mainly like, you know, like a high quality synthetic hair, so don't go too high, all right? Because I'm pretty sure it can still burn off if you go a little bit too high. But anyway, in terms of the texture, it has a really light soft yaki hair texture, which I'm absolutely in love with. The cap construction as well is really comfortable. You get 2 combs up front, 1 at the back, the adjustable straps. You also have an elastic band, and the cap is a stretchable mesh net material cap. Like I said, very comfortable. There's this thick band. I remember I was talking about that when I first started reviewing these wigs. There's a thick band around the cap, which is really comfortable. It makes it feel a lot better and a lot more secure and everything like that. But anyway, this is pretty much it. Let me show you the stock card. This is what the stock card looks like right here. And I will link this here down below just in case you're interested in it. I will leave a list of all the colors that it comes in as well down there for your convenience. But guys, thank you so much for watching. I have 2 more coming up and I'm kind of excited about them, especially the color because I get to try different colors this time. But thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next reviews coming up and I'll see you guys then. Bye.